We have Coach Dr. Obed Vital, Cassie Gallo, and Angay Reyes. Coach, congratulations for this victory. UE finished the season with a 3-11 record. The best finish since 2019. Of course, you wanted to more for next season. Your thoughts about your campaign in season 86? What can you say?
First of all, we'd like to thank everybody, all of you guys, the UE community, Boss Frank and Boss Jacob, Mom CK, and as well as Mom Kiara, all of the SGA family for the continued support, for the UE admin, starting from the president, the vice chair, everyone for their support. So my thoughts on the season, given the rookies that we have played, I felt that we did pretty good. Could have done better, but very proud of the accomplishment so far. So, like you said, this is the first time that UE has come in 6th place in a long time. So that's what we wanted. We came here to UE to make history. No matter the wins or losses, today the last ball dropped, and that's what I told them, and we made history. Okay, so I'm very proud of them. We're setting the tone for what's more to come, and we're very, very excited, closing out with a win, and then looking forward quickly to work towards the future, season 87, and all the other preseason leagues as well. So we're very happy.
Thank you very much, Doc. To Cassie, you had 25 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 ace, 9 digs, and 5 exceptions. So, assessment mo sa first year mo sa UE, and ano yung na makalaro ka sa UAAP na syempre, ano yung mga sabi mo?
Ayun po, masaya kasi parang dati, pangarap ko lang din maglaro sa UAAP, tapos dito na ako ngayon. Tapos na yung season ko as a rookie. Masaya lang din po, as sabi nga ni Coach, para kasi sa akin, hindi ganun kadali pumasok sa UE. UE sa challenge talaga sa akin. So, ayun, masaya naman kasi even though dapat may dapat kaming goal na hindi namin nagawa. Pero andito pa rin kami, yung last game namin, which is nanalo naman kami thankfully, at nabigay po namin yun sa seniors kasi ayun nga, sabi ko sa kanila na aalis sila sa UE na iba naman yung history, and thankfully na, ayun nga po, nabigay ko sa kanila, or nabigay namin sa kanila.
Thank you, Cassie. So, ang kaya for days today, being one of the seniors sa League Warriors, especially ikaw, galing ka ng UE High School. So, what can you say na ito, is it a sign na ito na yung improvement na nakikita natin sa programa ng UE Women's Volleyball Program? And first of all, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Okay.
Thank you po. Sa totoo lang po, nung dumating po talaga sila Doc, sila Hassi, sila Jenna, sobrang happy po talaga kami. Kasi parang, nung nalaman po yung balikan na sabi namin, parang naisip na po namin na mag-i-improve po talaga. Wala, sa season po ngayon, parang konting pa lang po, pero malaking bagay po talaga sila sa akin. So, thankful din po talaga ako sa kanila, sa UE community. Kasi, for the longest time, as senior din po nila sa na parang nakikita din namin